Hello and welcome to another episode of the Road to Funded Challenge. This one's going to be just a quick one. We're just going to go over my chart colors and my indicators as well, because somebody did request my chart colors. So they are, the background's like an off-white, a little orange, but here's the color code. I pasted it over here if you want to type that in. And then my bars, symbols, my bars are just, everything's black except for the up close candles are just regular white, and then everything else is just regular black. What else? Of course, we have New York time zone. I don't think there's anything else I need to show. Oh, also the top left, this just looks cleaner if you take off chart values. Like, I don't know, all this stuff looks ugly that's usually on there. So I just took it all off and it looks a lot cleaner in my opinion. And then for my indicators, all I use is a previous session indicator that also shows possible seek and destroy days. And the black Asia looks a little disgusting, but you can change the colors. And then this one is a previous day high and previous day low indicator, just mapping out previous day high, previous day low. ICT everything. I really like this because it shows the, let's go to last week so you can see it better. Might need to go farther. Okay, so it shows the week, each day of the week. So usually I put my own dividers and then it shows midnight open and then also market open. So when I go into my journal, I can just easily journal the weekly profile and where I saw possible entries. But yeah. And then these lines are standard deviation of Asia session. So it just shows like the top to the bottom, how many standard deviations it projects out to. And usually price will only go to a certain amount of standard deviations before reversing, retracing, consolidating, accumulating. It won't continue. Like every so once in a while we'll go to 4 standard deviations, but usually we won't even go past that. And usually that's not very often. So a little complicated, but I usually like this just for the dividers. And then ICT high time frame candles, the thing's kind of cool. It shows, I mean, you could set whatever higher time frame you want, and then it shows the higher time frame, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's all for this one. I just wanted to show my chart colors and the indicators that I have. Yeah. Oh, and then for boxes, I put blue for bullish PD arrays and then red for bearish PD arrays, and those colors are, go to this one. It's just red at 20%, and then this one is just this for the outline. And then it's just blue, cyan at 20%. So it kind of looks like pastel on this canvas, and it looks kind of cool. And then I'll just mark out PD arrays, bearish PD arrays, bullish PD arrays. And yeah, that's actually all now. And this will be a short upload. And peace out.